Hi there, guys. I am coming at you with another video, and I am going to be reviewing these press-on nails from a company called Glamermaid. And I was going to use these. That's why they're out of the pack. I received 5 packs from them, but I decided that I wanted to change and use another set. So I'm going to use this one for this video. They have an array of press-on nails, and so I'm going to be using them today. 24 nails comes in the pack, and let's see, they also come with these tabs to glue them on with. But I'm not sure if I'm going to use them today or not. It also comes with an alcohol pad, a little file, and an orange wood stick. Let's get started. And so I'm going to put all of the nails down in here. I want to get a glimpse of the other ones that, and this also is the same company. These all came from the same company. I know that this one has a different name, but it's still from the same company. These are gorgeous, guys. These are really gorgeous. And these are the ones, if you can see some of them, these are the ones that came in the other pack. So I'm going to set these to the side, and we're going to work with these. Oh my, they're nice. Let's get to measuring. My nail beds are bigger, so I know these little ones right here are never going to fit. So I'm going to lay these to the side. These will never fit my nail. Now let me see. I'm pretty sure that this one may. Okay. Oh, that fits perfectly, but I'm going to get rid of these little rascals here. That really fits perfectly. Ooh. sturdy, guys. Very sturdy. Awesome. Here they are, guys. And they are beautiful. They are gorgeous. Check out their website, guys. They have all kinds of press-on nails. They have nails for kids. They have Christmas nails. They have a design collection. They have different lengths and shapes. And I mean, they have all kinds of stuff. They have accessories and tools. And I'm sure you'll find some press-ons that you like and enjoy, because they have some beautiful, beautiful press-on nails. They really do. And they're offering specials. They have a pre-Black Friday special going on. If you buy 4, you get 1 free. If you buy 6, you get 3 free. If you buy 8, you get 15% off. And their prices are very reasonable, guys. So go check them out and order some Glamermaid press-on nails. They're not expensive at all. Very reasonable. I will leave the link to their website in the description box below. And I hope you enjoy this video, because these nails are gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. All right, guys. I will be talking to you in my